Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll be all set. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform. So if you enjoy that I make content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. The number will increase, it will turn blue, and that's you helping me grow on YouTube. So I'm thanking you in advance for that. All right. This took a little while to get to me. This is the Sephora box. Usually it comes a lot quicker, but I checked and it's still available, so that's all that matters. What I'm talking about is the Sephora Favorites Hello Bag. These are the $10 a month bags. They don't come every month, but when they do show up, it's always exciting. And I always love shopping in the Sephora Favorites, and this one is a good one too because it also comes with a coupon for 15% off on any of the sample sizes that if you want to purchase in the future, that you could use that 15% off for the full size, which is really, really exciting. As you know, on my channel, we talk about Rakuten because it has been so beneficial to so many of you. I always want to make sure that you guys know how I shop, and I go through Rakuten. If you are not a member of Rakuten, I do have a link for Rakuten where they're running a deal still where I get $30 and you get $30 if you spend $30 within the 90 days of when you sign up. There is no cost to signing up for Rakuten, but the benefits are there. You just have to make sure that when you go to the site that you want to go to, that you go into Rakuten first, type in the site, let's say this is Sephora, but they're all on there. Every place that you could think that you personally shop, including some boxes, are even on Rakuten. So all you have to do is go into Rakuten first, and then you just simply type in Sephora. It will bring you to the Sephora website, and then you shop as normal. And then at the end, it will tell you, thank you for shopping from Rakuten, and you'll get some money towards your check that you'll receive in every quarter. On top of it, if you use my link and you haven't been a member of Rakuten, if you spend that $30, you'll have an additional $30 added to your check. And again, thank you to everybody who has used my link. Thank you to everyone that has told me you've already gotten your check with that additional $30. It is just fantastic. So if you use my link, make sure to tell me so I can thank you in the comments down below. All right. As you know, I take extra notes in reference to what is in the bag. I'm going to do quickly what is in the bag, but you could simply go on Sephora.com to actually see what is going to be in the bag, because on my channel, I try to give a little bit more information so that I learn to know how to use the products, and hopefully that is what you guys want to know as well. So what is in the Hello bag? This is, like I said, a $10 bag. The value of this bag is $28. It's a set of 6 must-have makeup, skincare, and hair care and fragrance samples from Sephora's top brands, plus that 15% voucher that I told you about for the future full-size purchases. These 6 samples become in this reusable bag. They say it's reusable, but I don't know. And I said everything else. Okay, so in this bag, so here's your 15% off, and on the other side, you have each one individually with its own barcode to use. In this, there is a set. There's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Wiz in medium brown. It came in this. They have from Sephora collection, they have a clear brow gel. From Supergoop, they have the Glowscreen sunscreen with SPF 40. From First Aid Beauty, they have the Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHAs. Then from OUAI, they have a Detox shampoo. And then there is the perfume sampler that is in here, and it is from Mugler, and this is the Alien Eau de Parfum. The other thing is that I want to share with you is when you're checking out on the top end, it's the top part of the checkout, it's really in small print, and a lot of times I forget, but this time I remembered. You can choose 2 samples to add to your order, and if you use free ship in the promo code, all of this comes to your door shipped for free. So these are the 2 samples that I ended up choosing. They're usually always just sample packs. They're true samples. This one was a shampoo that I never heard of, and it's called Doe, D-O-E. And this one is the shampoo and conditioner packs. And then I chose from ORIBE, the Signature Shampoo Daily Indulgence with the conditioner. So just to have a couple of things, usually I try samples of perfumes or concealers, or if there's a range of foundations, those are the type of sample packs that you end up choosing. So that's also free with this $10 bag. So it's free shipping, 2 free samples, and with Rakuten, I'm gonna get some money back. So to me, it's an absolute steal. All right, so now let's get started and going through each product one at a time. So the first one, like I mentioned, is the Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium. This is formerly, the color is medium ash. So if you used to be medium ash, they're now just calling it medium brown. And they suggest that this color is good for light, medium brown, and silver hair. The full size of this is $23, but this is the size of the sample. It's an ultra slim retractable pencil for precise detailing and creating hair-like strokes. The Brow Wiz is an ultra-fine retractable tip that is perfect for spot filling in areas where your brow hair is sparse, and it will mimic the fine hair-like strokes. The pencil is ideal for places where your arches may be bare or you've over-tweezed, and it is a smudge-proof formula that stays put all day for a fresh, natural-looking brow. It's made without parabens and sulfates, and they're saying some names are changing, but the shades are remaining exactly the same, so you can shade match across the entire Anastasia collection. So they're trying to make it all the same shades throughout. This product was in Allure's Best it was a Best of Beauty award winner, and they're simply saying to use Brow Wiz to create a perfect arch that follows your natural bone structure. Brush your hair up vertically with the spoolie end, and this does not have the spoolie end, but the full size does. And draw a thin line along the hairline following the lower arch. Brush your brow hair down and define the top of your brow arch in the same way. You could also use it to fill in the gaps like we mentioned earlier before. So I've never seen this in a sample size, which I think is absolutely fantastic, because this is great to always have in your arsenal, and that is what the color medium brown looks like. I did it a couple times. If you want to do a lighter version, it is lighter. The harder you press, the darker the color will be. So really excited that this was the first product that was in there. The second one is from Sephora. This is their Sephora collection. It is a clear brow gel, and there's the full size of this would be $12, and this is clear. It's a lightweight clear brow gel that tames unruly hairs and sets brows without a hardening effect to the brows that stay in place all day long. The formula sets all brow products from pencils to powders and gives your brows a healthy brushed up finished look. The structured tapered shaped brush combs through all your brow shapes and is the perfect density to control your hairs. The result, the brows are perfectly tamed and will stay in place all day long. It could be used on its own or as your final step in your brow routine. And that is what the brush looks like inside there. And it's a clear gel. The next item that we got in here is from Supergoop. And this is a really fantastic brand. And the full size of this is a $36 value. And this is a hydrating makeup gripping primer with SPF 40 and blue light protection that has pearlescent finish to leave your skin luminous with an instant glow. If your skincare concerns are dullness, dryness, fine lines, and wrinkles, then this product is for you. This is a lotion. The highlighted ingredients in here are hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. It will help boost moisture in the skin, leaving it feeling soft and nurtured. Excuse me. It is a sea lavender that helps provide a powerful antioxidant protein, while it also supporting long-lasting hydration, and it has cocoa peptides, which will help protect the skin from the blue light damage. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, and it is reef safe. This is the daily dose essential for a fresh looking with or without makeup, providing you to be the ultimate morning multitasker. It has the broad spectrum clean chemical SPF 40 actives for hydration and tech protection. Again, this is another Allure Beauty Best winner, and it is clean on Sephora. The next item that we are going to learn about now is the First Aid Beauty. This is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHAs. The full size of this is $28, and I also have a mini size of this that is 2 ounces, that's $10. The sample that we got in here, I think, is 1 ounce, so that's like a $5 product. It says it's a body scrub that exfoliates to reveal healthier looking skin. It's good for normal, dry, and combo. If your skin concerns are dryness, pores, dullness, or uneven texture, this is a scrub. It has a pumice buffing beads that will exfoliate particles to remove dead cells. It has glycolic and lactic acids that will exfoliate to help the skin appear bright. And it has another ingredient in here called bolo, I think that's how you pronounce it, that will help soothe the skin. This product is also vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, and it comes in recyclable packaging. So it has this outer box, and inside this is the size of the tube. This is a body scrub that uses glycolic and lactic acids to help loosen skin's top layer, while also decongesting your pores with a pumice buffing bead, delivering the benefits of a chemical peel and microdermabrasion treatment in one. Use it 1 to 2 times a week or as your skin tolerates. Apply onto wet skin and gently massage with fingertips onto your problem areas. Rinse and pat dry and follow with a moisturizer. It's not intended for facial use. Anyone can use this product. Do a patch test that's recommended for those with sensitive skin. Remember, this product does contain glycolic and lactic acids. They may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun and can possibly create sunburn. And this is also a clean product at Sephora. The next item is one from OUAI, and this is a detox shampoo. The full size of this is $30. This is the 1 fluid ounce in here, and the full size is 10 ounces. This is a clarifying shampoo that deeply cleanses away dirt, oil, and product buildup with an apple cider vinegar, while the keratin will help straighten your hair. It's good for straight, wavy, curly, or coily hair, for fine, medium, and thick hair. If your hair concerns are oiliness, flaky, dry scalp, or shine, this is the product. The key benefits, it says it cleanses without stripping, it removes product buildup, and it adds softness and shine. They're saying this helps remove hard water deposits and impurities. The apple cider vinegar will help exfoliate and remove flakes, residue, and buildup, keeping your hair healthy and shiny. And they have a hydrolyzed keratin that helps soften, smooth, frizz, and add shine. It's free of sulfates and all that stuff. And then it says it is a cleansing shampoo that's infused with this keratin that makes it color safe. It's scented with Melrose, and that's a rose fragrance with hints of bergamot, lychee, cedarwood, and white musk. Their products smell divine. How they suggest we use this is thoroughly wet our hair from roots to ends with lukewarm water, squeeze out any excess moisture, then lather a quarter size amount into your shampoo into your hands. Part your hair using your fingers and apply the shampoo as close to the scalp as possible. Let set for 1 to 3 minutes, then rinse and squeeze out excess moisture before applying conditioner, and then rinse with cold water to close your hair cuticle and added shine. I think this is fantastic that it's good for color safe hair. So that's amazing, because usually when you use clarifying shampoos, it really strips your color out. So excited to give that a try. And then the final item is the sample of the Mugler Alien perfume. And when I sprayed this on the card, it brought back such memories. It is a scent that it's to me, this does not change with the chemistry of your body. Everyone that has ever worn this, it has smelled exactly like this to me anyways. They have a full size of this for $120. That's 2 ounces. They have an eau de perfume spray that's 1 ounce, that's $85. And they also have a 3 ounce, which is crazy, for $170. They also have some minis that are $32, and they also have a refill that comes in a plain bottle if you don't want this really beautiful design, for $135. The scents on this is a warm floral. The keynotes are jasmine, cashmere, wood, and amber. And they're saying Alien is a floral, woody, amber fragrance that borders the realms of spirituality spirituality and it's sensuous. It excludes a positive energy charged with sensual and intriguing mystery. Alien is a radiant fragrance with deep purple hued glass bottle that is designed to mimic an amethyst, and it has precise gem that symbolizes femininity and refinement. This is a sacred talisman that can be layered with any Alien body product. And then they talk about Terry Mugler, who envisioned Alien as a sensation, that the movement that occurs before a miracle. This is a silent fullness with an expectancy of the supernatural. It is named Alien because inside every woman is something so unique and so special. It is an alien to everything around her. There is a goddess in every woman that I like to magnify, states Terry Mugler. So that's everything that we got in our Hello bag. Like I said, this is to me the bags that I really enjoy getting for $10. To me, this definitely replaced the play bag. The difference is that all of us will get the items that I just showed you in this, whereas opposed to the play box that we used to get on a subscription, they differed. Whoever got the boxes, they were always different inside. So if these products intrigue you and you think it's worth the $10, which for me it is, I want to make sure that you guys know about it. And this is the Hello bag. Then it's their most recent launch. So if you want to make sure that you're not picking up something that is anything different, make sure when you go into Sephora, you go to the drop-down box and you type in new releases, and then the newest version will pop up first. And that's everything I have to share with you today. So please share with me in the comments down below if you're getting this, or if you got this, or if you've had the opportunity to try any of the products that I just mentioned. Please share that in the comments down below because we share with each other on True Wants. So take care, everybody. Stay well, and I'll see you again soon in my next video. Bye-bye for now.